Hello everybody, this is Juan from Sunjano Set. Today I'm going to introduce you guys bubble removers of our company. There are 4 models in our company that we're selling. So today this one is BR04. Actually each one has their advantage. That's why we chose those 4. But this one is the best seller of our company, or among those bubble removers. So as you can see, this is the package, and this is the export package. So there is no wool, so you won't have any customer issues with wool. So the packaging is okay, and with all the bubble I guess what is bubble papers, just they're wrapped and protected very well. And let's come closer. So first of all, we can see all the buttons. So this is the power switch. This is for the power, and this is the temperature switch. So this is the temperature controller. This is the pressure gauger start, and this is the timer. So let's open this machine. So this is the cable, and this is the tube, which is it comes with a Y connector. So you can connect, for example, you can connect this side into the compressor and use this Y connector. This one goes to the bubble remover, and this one goes to laminator. So this is the and also there is a plate, tube, and also a cable. So this is what is included. And now let's measure the size of this chamber. So this is 19, as you can see, 19 centimeters, and this is 27 centimeters. So this chamber is 19 by 27. And that's closer to see the details of this machine, details. So you can see inside, which is painted, and this is and also this part you can see this rubber. This is very good quality, and you can see very good quality, because we're in this market a few years, and we've been selling this machine for a long time. And before we were selling product from different, because we were selling product from other factories, so this rubber was not quite good. So we got some complaints for these rubber problems. That's why with this product we, as you can see, this quality is very good. We make it. We improved the quality also on the other part as well, but this part we made effort on this one. Okay. And actually, when you close this one, you have to a little bit harder. You see, then you close it. Okay. So because this one is very good quality, it has some can resist it. So just use your hand, do like this, and easy. Just one stop, one switch. And now this is from the outside. You can see on the other side. You can see the this is the filter. This is a filter. So this part actually, this is the tube. Just connect here. So now on the other side it goes to the compressor, because the bubble remover, how it works. It connects with compressor. Compressor just press. It's like a push. Vacuum pump is like a take air out. So this bubble remover, they just use the pressure. So the air just goes inside of this machine, this chamber, just press out the bubble. So this one connects with the compressor. And as I explained to you guys, why there is a Y connector, because on this side you connect to compressor, these two-sided, one goes to the bubble remover, another one to laminator. So let's go to the other side of this. And that's all. That's what, this is the packing. Those are things included in this machine. So this is like the whole package. And there is one thing, like optional things that I want to introduce to you guys. So this is like a tray. This is like a tray. You can put different. This is like I just want to show you guys because I don't have any new like refurbished LCD here. So I just want to show you guys with some two screens here. So this is optional. This is optional. It depends on you. If you want this one, you can just talk to our staff. You can buy this one. If you don't want, doesn't matter. So if you don't have this one, you just use this one. You can put all the the screens here. You can put like this. If you have this one, so you can put like this. You can put like this. So this is the this is like optional. Optional is not included. This is optional. You can buy a part. Okay, now let's take it out and let you guys see clearly. This is just aluminum tray. If you wanted to talk to our staff, or just buy from our website or from our AliExpress store. And that's all about this machine. And I want to explain to you guys the difference between because as I told you guys, I have 4 models. We're selling 4 models. BR01, which is very light, This one is like 35 kilos. BR01 is only 18 kilos. And it's very light. You pay you pay less shipping cost. And also the machine is cheaper. And also the shipping cost is lower. And also it comes with the paper packing, so we can send, especially to Europe. There is a no tax channel, no tax. So we can send you with this no tax channel. Because this no tax channel, they only accept the paper packing. They don't accept any wooden packing. So that's the advantage of BR01. The BR02 is automatic door. So the door is automatic. Just push like this, it will close. So you don't have to like this. You don't need to trace it. You see, this one you have to trace, but another one, number 2, BR02, you don't need to twist. So it's just the automatic. The BR03, it has like very big chamber, so you can put tablet inside. And I also have another video to show you guys how big the chamber is. And this is BR04. Okay, so this is also for cell phone, not automatic, with there's packing for exports. And this is the one that's the best seller, because this one is the most people they just need for cell phone. On the other models has their special advantage, so it depends on what you need, your request. You can choose among those 4 models. And thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions, you can just contact us by email or by WhatsApp. And have a good day. Bye.